The highlight text option is a question type that requires students to click on and select certain words, sentences, or paragraphs. The following are a few examples that are going to demonstrate this type of question. In this first example, students are being asked to highlight the correct usage of the word to. So in each sentence, the word to is going to be available in order to click on and determine the right answer. So the students would be able to go through these and select that answer. The second example is asking the students to pick all of the nouns in a passage. So as the student hovers over, every single word is going to be available for them to choose if they decide. Their job is to go in and click on every word that would be a noun. In order to begin building your question, you are going to be in your Questions tab and you're going to start with the Highlight Text option. This question is going to be developed in two parts. The first part is going to be the question setup, and the second part is going to be the correct answer setup. So you're going to begin by adding the text for your question, including the question and all of the text that you want the students to work with. The next step you are going to take is you're going to click on the Possible Responses tab. Once this tab opens up, you're going to be asked to determine which you would like highlighted. Do you want each paragraph to be highlighted as a whole, each sentence to be able to be highlighted as a whole, or would you like every word to be highlighted? In this question, I'm asking for a thesis statement, so I am going to have this broken down by sentence. If I was asking my students to choose from the different types of the word to, I might want to make that into a word. So here when I click on sentence, it's going to basically tell me that it will replace anything that I already have done, and I'm going to click OK. And you'll see that this has broken each sentence down into its own little segment here. The next portion of building your question is to determine the correct answer. So each of these sentences has the ability to be highlighted, and all you need to do in order to determine the correct answer is click on the sentence that will be the correct one. Once you've determined your correct answer, you can go down and you could decide if you would like this to be an exact match or a partial match. A partial match would apply in a situation with this type of question where you have multiple sentences, and if a student got one of these correct but another one wrong, they would still be able to get some points for that question. When you are all finished working with your question, you can come and preview it, and you will again see what the students are going to be able to work with.